Where you dey go?
Oron road.
Oron road. That road far.
How much?
700.
700 na aeroplane dey drive. 700 na line now. I give you 250.
Oh, you never dey serious? Okay, because of you, 300. Last.
Make you no be like say we can't reach there, we can't dey fight o.
No wahala to 300. Not finish. Bros. I don't understand. Bros, I don't understand. Which one? Leave that Nigerian movie industry. I don't ready at all. What you know? You know what you buy for? Bro, leave that kind. Which kind play? Bro, how much you talk? Don't be throwing it. So throwing with this. Oh, you know they talk. You know they talk. You go talk. Wait, you go talk.
Wait, what's in happen now? What's in happen?
Bros,
I want fight.
Bros, I beg, at the name of God. Respect yourself.
But you, why you go carry the Van Dom now?
Bros, now like this guy they talk.
But they know they talk. The while I know they talk now.
Bro, now hear this guy they phone Nigerian movie industry. This guy they talk.
Yeah, guys. Wait, what's in happen here now?
Never this serious.
Abemona settle on a problem.
You go give them money today. See. Now.
No fine. This guy know they talk.
For what? In the talk. Bros,
No. Wait. Hey, excuse me. Calm down. What is going on here?
Oga, this guy is lying. The guy can talk very well. Very well.
What? How much?
I want is 3,000. 3,000.
Where do you carry him from? If I may ask.
Okay, I carry the guy from White House to Benin Road. Put my fuel, Facebook fuel, 200. Upon that one, 500. You finish. Upon that one, 800. You finish. Even my oil, I top up.
Okay. How much is everything? How much?
3,000.
Okay, don't worry. I think I have 3,000. I'll give you 3,000. I'm going to give you.
Which kind 3,000? This guy money na 300